Hello children, welcome to your English class. Children, today we are going to study a new topic, that is conjunctions. This is your chapter number 17. Now what are conjunctions? Do you know? Let's find out. So the word that joins words or two sentences is called conjunction or connecting word. Conjunction are joining two words or two sentences together. They are also called joining word. Now children, conjunctions are used to join the words or sentences. Apart from that, they do not do any other work. So their main work is to join the two words or join the two sentences. Some of the commonly used conjunctions are and, but and or. Now what does or mean? Or means either. When we have an option, I can have this or that. तो हमारे पास जब ऑप्शन होता है या चॉइस होती है, then we use the conjunction or. Then we have the conjunction but. But कब यूज होता है? When we have to show a comparison. Then we use but. So but is for however. Like, he is a good boy, but he is lazy. So some kind of contradiction or difference is shown by the help of but. Then we have and. With the help of this conjunction and, we add more information. Now let us see how we are using the conjunction or. We use or to show a choice. As I said, when we have two or more options. For example, we can eat pizza. Yes, we all love the pizza. And we can eat burger. So we have a choice. हमारे पास क्या है? चॉइस है. वी कैन ईट अ पिज़्ज़ा और वी कैन ईट अ बर्गर. हम दोनों नहीं खा सकते, तो वी हैव अ ऑप्शन. तो हमारी मम्मी हमसे जब ऑप्शन की बात करते हैं कि चलो पिज़्ज़ा हट जाना है कि मैकडोनल्ड जाना है, सो वी कैन ईट पिज़्ज़ा और बर्गर. वी कैन हैव चॉकलेट or ice cream. So you have the option. So whenever we are talking about the option, we are using the conjunction or. So here you can see two options are there and we are making the sentence by using the connecting word or. ठीक है? Now let us move further. When do we use conjunction but? We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. Like for example, you can see this dress. This dress looks very pretty. Yes, pink color, pretty dress. And what is the cost? Rupees 2000. Oh my God. So, we can say that this dress is beautiful. Yes, this dress is beautiful. But this dress is costly. So, what are we trying to show? We are trying to show an opposite idea. So, we are using the conjunction but. What are we writing? This dress is beautiful and use the conjunction but costly. So, this dress is beautiful. मतलब beautiful तो है but costly भी है. So, we are showing a opposite idea here by the help of the conjunction but. Now let us move to the conjunction and. We use and to combine similar ideas or to give added information. जब हम एक ही तरीके के ideas को बताना चाहते हैं या we have to add some extra information, then we use the conjunction and. For example, I saw a shark. I saw a whale. Now, if we have to join these two sentences, we will write the conjunction and this is how our sentence will look. I saw a shark and a whale. So we have used two informations are shown and we have used the conjunction and. So this is like we are giving added information. मैंने shark भी देखी और whale भी देखी. So this is where we are using the conjunction and. I hope children this is clear to you. Thank you.